Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add bio on TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open TikTok app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next you can see the option of add bio, tap on it. After that, add bio of your choice. Next, tap on save icon, which is located at top right corner of your screen. So this is how you can add bio on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.